Hello guys, this is what I did for a tutorial. We're making a tutorial of the Blackhawk. Okay, you fold the paper, the 8.5, 11 by 11 paper in half, and you tear it in half. Now, you're gonna, I already done the folds because I already did the other video, and the video because I was interrupted, but anyways. You fold it, pinch it in half, and then fold it, it doesn't matter which side it goes, but fold it into the middle. If you want to, you can fold this to the middle, but you don't have to fold it to the middle. But you fold it a little bit away from the middle, but it's whatever you want to do. But anyways, now we're going to shape the model. Once you did it, it should look like this. Fold it in half. Or am I going too fast? Because I wanted to speed up the tutorial. And now this is here comes the tough part. You're gonna have to, you have to kind of shape it onto the way you like it. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Yeah, sometimes it's easier to, do the folds before you present them. But anyways, it should look like this. You fold it in half, the same line that you made earlier. Now, you're going to match them up. Okay. Match them and then reverse the fold backwards. You now unfold this and this, and the last one, and you flatten everything down. If you want, you can cut this part. You're not gonna need it, but yeah. If I were you, I would trim this part off to make it easier. Because the thicker it is, the more difficult it is. Then you fold it like that, and then you fold it in half, like that. Alright, so next, you want to fold this tip in. Just like that. Done. Now, you're going to make a shaping that requirement. This is required. Because if you don't do this, then it's not going to be realistic. And no one's going to want it. I feel like no one's going to want a model that's not that realistic. But anyways, do something like this. Now you should end up something which looks like this. Okay. Now once you did that, the shaping, now this is a requirement. So yeah, if you don't do this, then it's not going to look realistic, because it's part of the intake. yeah, just like you see on my other Blackhawk, you're not going to do this anymore, so you're not going to leave it like that anymore, I mean. But anyways, now this is a complicated fold. Like, this is a little bit more, or I don't know, but it's more challenging than, it's a little bit more, I'd say it's a little bit more challenging than the other Blackhawk of my old design, because my old Blackhawk is not made properly, so it's not that 3D shape, but you're not gonna leave it. You're not gonna leave it like this. Now you're gonna have to unfold, partially unfold. Then you see a line right here, so you're gonna fold it something like this. Same thing with the top. And you fold it in half again. Now it looks like you can close sync, but you're not going to close sync that. You're going to squash this outward. So just be careful. Be careful with this, because this, you're going to make it a lot harder. And you're going to have to unfold it and unfold it again. Which is not pleasant. This, yeah, as you can see, it really wants to fight. I actually made that look really easy, by the way. Usually it's not that easy. Usually it's unpleasant. Now you're gonna do the. Now you're gonna have to go ahead and do the same thing to this side. Okay. You open this up. Be careful not to push this in, because otherwise, push the air intakes in, because otherwise it's gonna make it much harder to shape. Okay. I'll see you on the next part. After this fold. Because I don't want to make the video too long, and I don't want to lose storage on my phone if I, make it in one shot. Anyways, now you're gonna wash that down, then you shape it. You shape it on the way you like it. There it is. Now, you cut that part down. I feel like that. Yeah, if you want, you can shape this in, or you can just cut it, because the thicker it is, the more difficult. Yeah, it's kind of difficult, but yeah. Okay, if you want to, you can make this smaller, depending on which size you want, but yeah, it's gonna take practice, so keep practicing the better you become. Anyways, now, yeah, see you on the next part. And get your before I leave, get the hot glue ready, because you're definitely gonna need this, because the way I don't know how well you will do if you don't use hot glue. I never tried that, and I'll probably never do that. Anyways, now you're gonna pave this. Wrap this around the back. Yeah, I'm gonna complete this part here before I go deeper on the air intakes and the engines. Because I don't, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, and I don't want... Anyways, I should stop here for now.